all those who exist in the Kalos region, I am sure you are all familiar with these Pokemon. As you have noticed, this Pokemon has been a very popular psychic type for about a long time. Tonight we're going to draw a meowstic. There we are.
It's a whole new place with a brand new attitude. But you still gotta catch 'em all and be the best that you can be.
There we are. There. That's how I draw a meowstic. And, well, we're not going to stop here. Meowstic has two forms. One white, the other blue. One blue, the other one is white. There we are. I'll draw this mark here. Here's his next ear. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
There we are. Welter. There we are. That is how you draw both forms for Meowstic. There they are. The Meowstic Duo. There you are. You look great together. Anyway, that's all for tonight's episode. If you want to, you can check out the playlist. And, well, I've got a lot more like this on the way. In the meantime, check out what other fighters I've got in store. You can check out the new Scarlet and Violet video game. You can check out anything, really, when you put your options to it. That's all for now. That's how you draw a Meowstic. Good night, guys.